Title: Cats and Their Reaction to Robot Vacuum Cleaners, The Showdown. Introduction. In today's modern world, technology has infiltrated every aspect of our lives, including our homes. One such innovative invention that has gained popularity in recent years is the robot vacuum cleaner. These autonomous devices have become an essential tool for many households, performing the mundane task of cleaning floors with minimal human intervention. However, as convenient as these devices may be for their owners, they often trigger a range of amusing and fascinating reactions from another important member of the household, our feline friends, cats. This article delves into the unique ways cats interact with robot vacuum cleaners, providing an insight into this intriguing showdown. 1. An unforeseen encounter. As the robot vacuum cleaner glides across the floor, emitting a gentle humming sound, it has the potential to arouse both curiosity and fear in cats. In this section, we explore the initial reaction of cats when they encounter these machines in action. Some cats may exhibit a cautious approach, observing the robot vacuum cleaner from a distance, while others may pounce on it, mistaking it for a toy or potential prey. The clash between these two contrasting instincts can lead to playful interactions or tense standoffs between cats and their mechanical intruders. 2. The hunter versus the hunted. Cats, by nature, are instinctive hunters, always on alert with their senses sharply attuned. When faced with the unfamiliar presence of a robot vacuum cleaner, their predatory instincts may kick in, leading to a game of cat and mouse. Some cats might chase after the device, attempting to corner it or even pounce on it. The robot vacuum cleaner, on the other hand, continues its cleaning duties, seemingly unaware of the feline predator that lurks nearby. This battle of wits between an intelligent machine and an agile hunter creates an intriguing dynamic worthy of further exploration. 3. Territorial disputes. Cats are known for their strong territorial nature, often considering their home as their kingdom. When a robot vacuum cleaner invades their space, it can trigger territorial disputes and cause cats to assert dominance. This section delves into the various ways cats try to stake their claim over the household, including marking territory, swiping at the device, or vocalizing their displeasure. The interaction between a cat's need for control and a robot vacuum cleaner's persistent cleaning behavior can result in a fascinating power struggle within the confines of a home. 4. Unlikely companions or ongoing feuds. While some cats view the robot vacuum cleaner as a foe, there are anecdotes of unexpected companionships blossoming between the two. This intriguing aspect showcases the adaptability of cats and their ability to forge bonds with seemingly unconventional entities. We explore instances where cats have been observed grooming or curling up next to the robot vacuum cleaner, treating it as a surrogate companion or even a member of their fur family. These heartwarming interactions highlight the unique ways in which cats perceive and interact with their mechanical counterparts. 5. Mitigating the feline frenzy. As owners of both cats and robot vacuum cleaners, it becomes crucial to ensure a harmonious coexistence between the two. This section provides practical tips and suggestions for cat owners to ease their feline friends' anxiety when introducing a robot vacuum cleaner to their household. From gradual exposure to positive reinforcement techniques, there are several strategies that can be implemented to help cats adjust to the presence of these cleaning devices, minimizing stress and potential conflicts. Conclusion. The clash between cats and robot vacuum cleaners brings forth a delightful blend of entertainment and intrigue. From playful encounters to territorial disputes, these scenarios offer a glimpse into the complex nature of feline behavior. Understanding the reactions cats have towards these autonomous devices not only provides us with amusement, but also enables us to create a more harmonious environment for both our cats and the tech that has become a part of our daily lives. After all, the showdown between cats and robot vacuum cleaners is an ongoing tale of two worlds intertwined.